Hey guys, it's me, one and only Sanji Khandelwal, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going for shopping today, but before that, I really need to clean this mess and organize myself. First of all, I will clean my room because आई एम गोइंग फॉर शॉपिंग. बट उससे पहले मैं अपना पूरा रूम सही करके जाऊँगी और मुझे घर आके वापस पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज करना है बिकॉज एवरीथिंग हैज़ बिन अ मेस लेटली. ओके, अभी के लिए आई एम डन विथ क्लीनिंग. बाकी क्लीनिंग मैं घर आके करूँगी, ठीक है. बट लेट मी टेल यू माई करंट फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ बॉलीवुड. दिल की तो दिल वाली लेकिन मुंह खोले तो गाली रे. तू ही मेरा दिल नाल तू ही मेरी जान सोने वे तेरे ओ इश्क की हरदम वॉल्यूम कोई कर न सके कम वॉल्यूम. लेट्स गो प्यार तेरा प्यार मुझे खींचे तेरी और तेरा सोर तेरा नाम लेके दिल शादी के मंडप से तू खुद को भगा भगा जोरों से भगा.
And think about what you did. The story starts when it was hot and it was summer, acting faster than you could say sabotage. I never saw it coming, wouldn't have suspected it. She's an actress, wow. There is nothing I would do better than revenge. देखो ना देखो
So now I'm in a very good mood and I'm very energetic. So let's go for shopping. So I came back home like an hour ago or something, and now I'm planning to clean my study table because I still haven't cleared out my class 12th books. I know it might sound weird, but I'm so emotionally attached to my books that I'm not ready to let them go. Yeah. मेरे को लोगों से इतनी अटैचमेंट नहीं हो पाती जितनी मेरे को अपनी क्लास 12th की बुक से अटैचमेंट है. ओके, वेट, लेट मी एक्चुअली शो यू समथिंग लाइक क्रेजी. So these are my French की books 5th से 10th तक की, and I'm still not ready to let them go. पता नहीं मुझे क्या है कि मुझे अपने साथ अपनी बुक्स रखने मुझे कब मन करे कि how I used to study in class 5 so I can just see them, but I'm not ready to let them go. And I have some insane amount of folders too जो बहुत ज़्यादा unorganized है. Wait, I'll show you. So of course I will not throw my books. I will keep them in the storeroom कि जब मेरे को मन करे I can see them. But अगर आज मैंने बुक्स खाली नहीं करी तो बुक्स निकले या ना निकले घर से मैं ज़रूर निकल जाऊँगी. So let's get started. Like, just see how am I supposed to throw these registers and these books. So this is the state of my study table now. Hello, and this is my current read, and ये सारी books मेरे को store room में रखनी है. Okay, so let me give you a quick haul of what all things I got today. First is this skirt. I know I need to style it better, but yeah, you can have a look of it. And ये मेरा ही top है. So this is what I got. I know it is not looking nice अभी, but it will look good with skirts. ये views type की shirt है, but this is a bit crop. Okay, so this is the next top. I didn't have such type of a top, so I really wanted to get it. And then I got this waist belt, which is like getting really trendy these days. And I also got a novel. I just got one because like the prices are way too high. So most of these clothes are from H&M and Westside, and मैंने कुछ online मंगवाए थे. So मेरे पास अगर link होगा तो I will definitely attach in the description box. On 10, 10 on 10, 10 on 10. This is so good. So that's it for today. This was like a really random video because I had zero ideas for long form content. If you have any such ideas, then do let me know in the comment section. I would like really appreciate that. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is me, Sanji Khandelwal, signing off. Bye bye.